Vacuuming multiple rooms is a time-consuming activity. But it doesn't have to be that way. Let us introduce you to the botic 1700, our automatic vacuum cleaner. The botic 1700 has an auto-adjusting suction of up to 2700 PA, a runtime of 270 minutes. It has a quiet mode and a brush speed of 1300 rounds per minute. There is also an option for an automatic dust collection bin. In short, the botic 1700 has the power and options to serve all your cleaning needs. The botic 1700 can be used in all kinds of different rooms, no matter what temperature or what kind of surface. It even comes with an app that maps out the space so you can easily see what has been cleaned and mark spots that don't need to be cleaned. This way you can visibly prove that the room has been cleaned. And if you don't use the app, the botic will come right back where you put it down. The botic is easy to use and saves you a lot of time. Just turn it on and let the botic do the work. We created the botic 1700 to take work out of your hands, so you can focus on more detailed cleaning tasks. The botic 1700.